What's going on, guys? This is Isaac from Christ Customs. Right behind me we have a 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat that we just got done lifting. We're going to go over the lift wheels and tires and everything that we added to it. If you are interested in lifting your F-150, you're going to want to check out what we did to this. Getting started to go over the build, we're going to go over the lift kit, which is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. That's going to raise the truck up enough to fit these bigger wheels and tires underneath this truck. It's also going to lift the front 6 inches with a 6-inch strut spacer in the front and a 4-inch block in the back, which is going to make it level as well as lifted. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is a hybrid tire, which is a mix between a mud terrain and an all-terrain tire. It's going to give you a nice aggressive look with the sidewall and the bigger tread, but it's also going to give you a nice wear life with a long-lasting tread with between 45 and 65,000 mile tread life. The wheel is going to be a 22 by 12 fuel stroke, which is going to be a deep dish look. This one is going to have a -44 offset, so it's going to push that wheel and tire package out from the truck several inches and give it a nice wide stance, as well as giving you a decent lip on this wheel. It's going to have about a 5-inch lip, which is going to really just give you the look that everybody's trying to go for. The spokes are going to be like a split spoke design, and you're going to have the millings in between each of the spokes as well as on the outside of them, and it's really going to give it a nice flair because it's going to be something that no other wheel has. And honestly, this wheel goes really well with this truck, and it's probably one of my favorite looks because it's going to give you a mix between a classic look because the truck has a lot of chrome on it, but it's also with this wheel being a very unique design, it's going to give you something that's going to make it stand out. So it's going to give you a nice mix of both of those. So if you guys have any questions about this build or anything that we've done to this truck, or would like to get your truck lifted, you can give us a call at 301-694-4642. Or if you need any more inspiration to see what other people have done or what we've done to other trucks, you can go to our gallery at christcustoms.com to see everything that we've built.